All right, here we are at the same job site I was at yesterday when they have the basement walls all formed up. Now today, they're pouring. You can see the big pump truck behind me. That basically takes the concrete from the concrete truck and places it all the way around the foundation. Let's go in there for a closer look. Smoothing out the top of the wall here so that the framers aren't pissed.
That'll make it easy for them.
Yeah. So yesterday we saw that in between the forms it was just empty with the rebar in there. Now you can see they're filled with concrete. Alright, so this is Permastructo rocking and rolling on another foundation. These guys always tear it up quick, do a great job. That's all you can ask for.